Hi guys, here's a new tip. I'm sure you've seen this in your local supermarket. Don't just use them for softening or just for cleaning your washing machine. You can use these for many things. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a burnt pot with the soda crystals. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put in a cup of the soda crystals. And then you're going to make sure that you're going to fill the pot up over the burnt area. The next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to boil it. So let's see what happens after the 15 minutes. Hey guys, 15 minutes has passed. Let's take a look. Hey guys, so this is after 15 minutes of boiling it with the soda crystals. So we're going to take a look and see what happened. We're going to do a bit of scrubbing. We're going to put a little bit of dish soap in it. And take a sponge. And we're going to see what happens. Well, you see what happens after 15 minutes. It's not brand new, but you see the big difference that it was from the start. Like and subscribe, please.